everybody, and thank you for joining me back on my channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all are having a great day. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video, and it's gonna be with a craft because I love doing crafts. Like, it's my all-time favorite thing to do. I love to paint. I love to crochet. I tried to knit, but that didn't go very well. I like to do beadwork. I have a beaded loom, which is really fun to do. So yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing a UV resin kit. I've always wanted to try it, so yeah. I just got like a really small kit just so I can test it out and see how it is before I go off and actually get the good stuff. So it came in with 2 boxes. It was $29.99 on Amazon, and it comes with a few molds. I didn't really like them, but it's a good way to start out as a beginner because I've never done this before. So let's see what they got. Okay, so they got, oh, those are really cool. My cat is hissing at me. I'm so sorry. Okay. My cat is cranky today, so I'm very sorry. And I have my other cat sitting next to me. Let's open these up. Let's just open these up. I'm probably going to get cat hair all over them because my cat's next to me. I have the door open. Let's see. Oh, it's like saran wrap. What the heck? Oh, get off my finger. These are actually kind of cute. Like, you could do really nice things with these. I really like this one. I'm gonna definitely try doing something with that. Because I have a bunch of dried flowers. I have glitter and everything like that. Because I sometimes do my nails with, oh, what do you call it? Those gel nails. I can't. Oh man, my brain is just not there today. But like, you put your nails under a UV light and whatnot. So I have like tons of accessories that I can put into these. Okay, this is, let me open this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got that one off. They really stick to your fingers. Like, I don't like the wrapping, but this would be cute too, like to get like a little picture and put in here. Give it out as a gift. Or give like these two as a gift for like a couple. I'm gonna have to find something to push this down because it is a little bent. Let's see what's next. I have to open this one. I can't really see it. Sorry for the noise. Oh, you can make like your own little decorations if you wanted to. Those are cute. Make little gems. This is gonna be so fun. Like, I'm really excited. Let's see what this is. Another one. Oh, for a minute there I thought it was plastic, but it's not. These are really cute. Oh, then you have the bangles. I think that's what you call them, the bangles. So you have one of those, and then you have another one. Oh gosh, like, it's wrapped in saran wrap. Like, why would they do that? Unless that's how they do it with all of their molds. I don't really know. This one's a really big one. I'm trying to look at the design. Probably won't be using those, but I don't know yet. Oh, and then you have like these little balls. Oh, you could put, oh, I have so many ideas for these. I'm not going to take these ones out. But they have 3 different sizes, which is really neat. Then you have, take these. Oh, they're so sticky. Have little, oh, what do you call those? Wow, I cannot think today. I'm so sorry. Let's see. What are those called? I don't know. Help me out, guys. They have all different shapes, which is really neat. I feel like these would be really hard to get the resin out after it's hardened, you know, because these are really tough. I don't know about that. I don't know how you'd get that out. I'll have to play around with it. We got those. Put that over there. Nothing left in that box. Let's see what's in this one. So we got tons and tons of resin. Like, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Got 10 of them. That's really good. And they are 30 milliliter. Ugh. I can't even talk. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't know that they gave you a lamp. Oh, this is 6 watt. Why would they even give this to you? I heard that like you have to have at least like 36 watt or higher to be able to do resin. And this is a 6 watt. I don't think that's going to do anything. But luckily I do have a lamp that does a really good job. And it comes in white. I wish you could pick the color. I would have gotten pink. Instructions. Comes with a charger. So that's always good. Put that back in the box. I won't lose it. It's cute, not gonna lie, it's really cute. There's one. That's what it looks like. It's really cute. I'm gonna keep it. This is really nice. It gives you 10 bottles, so. Crystal clear resin for DIY UV curable crystal resin. That's awesome. That's really neat because we get 10 of them. They're all individually wrapped, which is really nice. See what's in here. The heck? Super nail hardener. Why would they give you this? Huh. Keep away from heat. Yeah, I'm not going to be using this because I don't know, like that's just kind of random how they give you a super nail hardener. But that's what it comes with. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh, and they come with the little hooks, which is really nice because I actually have a bunch of kits that I can make necklaces and whatnot with. So that's really neat. I'm gonna have to get gold because I have one of these. I usually use the rings in whatever you call those. I can't think today. I use them for necklaces and whatnot. Usually I use this for my beading that I do. But yeah, I mean, this is everything. I mean, I like how they give you a whole bunch of UV resin. I'm definitely going to try this out. I mean, if you guys want to see me testing this product out, just let me know down in the comments and give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you liked the video. I know it was a little out of place, but my brain really isn't working today, so I apologize. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.